In the heart of Hong Kong's vibrant metropolis, where skyscrapers soar into the sky, a cataclysmic flood has struck, bringing with it the unfathomable wrath of nature. On September 7, 2023, the city experienced its heaviest rainfall in more than 140 years, with a record rainfall of up to 158 mm in just 1 hour, far exceeding all statistics in history. The city, a symbol of prosperity and modernity, was suddenly engulfed in brutal floodwaters. Hong Kong faces an unprecedented crisis. But in that desolation, the story of resilience and solidarity began to be etched into its history. As the rain continued to pour, Hong Kong fell into a real nightmare. The floodwaters rose, sweeping away everything on the way. The central streets, busy commercial areas, were suddenly submerged in a sea of water. Roads become rivers, tunnels are filled with water, and traffic comes to a complete standstill. Chaos pervades everywhere, from crowded streets to quiet neighborhoods. Thousands of homes were flooded, and more than 150,000 people had to be urgently evacuated to shelters. According to government reports, more than 100 people were injured, including many seriously injured in accidents during the evacuation. Floodwaters have also paralyzed the public transport system, with a series of trains and buses canceled and major roads blocked. Floodwaters also caused the MTR subway system, Hong Kong's transport artery, to stop operating on many lines. Economic losses are estimated to be in the billions of dollars as infrastructure, commercial buildings, and thousands of businesses are disrupted or destroyed. Central economic areas such as Tsim Sha Tsui, Mong Kok, and Central have had to close completely. The property damage is extremely large. More than 1,200 cars were severely damaged by flooding, and a series of businesses were forced to close. Hong Kong International Airport, one of the world's largest aviation hubs, has had to cancel more than 400 flights, causing millions of dollars in damage. Meanwhile, traditional markets and small restaurants have also suffered heavy damage, leaving thousands of families in dire straits. But it was in this disaster that the resilience and humanity of the people of Hong Kong lit up. Hundreds of volunteer groups have sprung up across the streets, bringing food and water to those trapped in their homes. Rescue forces work nonstop, regardless of danger, to bring people to safety. Ordinary people, from workers to taxi drivers to office workers, have become unsung heroes, coming together against the wrath of nature. As the storm passed and the floodwaters began to recede, Hong Kong stood firm as a symbol of indomitability against natural disasters. The city has suffered great losses, with losses estimated at billions of dollars, but the most valuable thing is the unfathomable spirit of solidarity and kindness of the people. The scars left by natural disasters will become the eternal imprints of a Hong Kong that will never succumb. From chaos to solidarity, from despair to hope, Hong Kong has proven that even in the darkest of moments, people can overcome it all. Hong Kong's story will forever be etched in history as a lesson in courage and resilience. And just as Hong Kong has weathered this historic flood, we can also learn the strength of that indomitable spirit to face life's challenges.